Hello, Finovate. How are we doing this morning? I'm a bit nervous, not because of you lot, but because I've just been promoted to head the SME department at the bank where I work, and because we're a bank, the job came with a bunch of KPIs, right? You know this. Now, they said 90% of all companies globally are small and medium businesses. 70% of all employment and GDP comes from these companies. So theoretically, it should be easy to meet these quarter-by-quarter KPIs, but I've been asking myself, I'm not sure if we have the right tools to meet these KPIs. Actually, hang on 1 second. I think that might be important. I'll be with you in a sec.
Oh man, these last couple of days have been so hardcore. Since I started this catering and restaurant business, I never thought it would be so complex. So I'm doing the daily stuff in the restaurant, the catering for the events, and also I'm renting the private room. I can't keep track of everything that's going on by now. All this administration and financials are just killing me. I remember I need to pay something today or tomorrow, but I don't know exactly what it was.
Christian, sorry to interrupt. I think the one thing I just received, which should be on the screen in a second, the mobile screen, maybe you want to have a look at this and see how it works?
Daily SME stories? Oh, what's that?
You would be interested what's that, right? Well, if Elon Musk can have things like...
there I have it.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Oh, wow, I made this much money yesterday? This is beyond average, so no wonder I'm stressed and tired. Yeah? Ha! That John guy. He needs to pay me today, because he rented a private room 2 weeks ago for his birthday party. I forgot this. And also, yeah, the cleaning guys. And the music license needs to be paid. This was out of scope for me.
So you see these daily stories which are curated and specially personalized for you SME as an SME, Christian, right?
This is extremely interesting, but do you think you could do this also?
Longer periods, more details? Let's see, right. So you see that on top of the screen, you've got those, something we call the story bars, those little circles, very similar to social media applications. Now, if you click on one of these, you see daily, weekly, and monthly stories specially curated for an SME. So do you want to know, for example, at the end of the month, how much money you made last month?
Of course I want to know.
Let's click on that and see February, right? So you actually made 11,000 net cash flow with 12% more than average income earnings you made. And of course, you spent slightly more than average as well, nearly 37,000 euros.
This is interesting.
Good business.
I never thought about this.
So you want to see how you spent that 37,000 euros?
Of course.
Let's have a look. Not surprisingly, suppliers, salaries, rents, and taxes are your major outgoings in February.
I'm paying 50,000 for suppliers? I'm shocked. I definitely have to look at this.
I think we owe a little bit of an introduction, so good morning, everyone, again. My name is Thomas Brown. I work for Finshape, and as you might have guessed, I'm impersonating an SME banker here today. On the stage with me is Christian.
And I'm impersonating an SME business owner right now, and we are from Finshape, and we like to show you our new digital banking solution for SMEs.
We'd like to show you indeed, so let's go on, and let me show you something else, which is maybe more interesting than these categories. If you click on one of these stories again, you see that on weekdays, you actually spend less, so you earn less money than on weekends, right? So 20% more to be exact. So if you look at this chart, those gray dotted lines represent the average daily income, and the blue lines would show you whether you're below or above that average.
So I could prepare for busier days with more sandwiches and for quieter days with less. I actually never thought about this, and sometimes we make so much waste. This is really great advice. Thanks for that.
Now, how we do this is that actually we have a personalization platform that looks at your transaction data and also the invoices, receivables, and we create these smart insights which are personalized and specially curated for you, Christian, your business, to look at what's interesting and relevant and meaningful for you.
Wow, this is extremely insightful. I wasn't aware of this completely.
Cool. We also show recurring expenses, again, predicting what future expenses you might occur in the next 4 weeks.
Yeah, of course, the guys from Google, they need to get some money from me. Security service is important these days. But 75K forecast expense in the next 4 weeks? Oh my God, will I have the money for this?
Well, I think, again, we can help you with that because the system finds out that you need to look at your cash flow. And if you look at, actually, oh dear.
Oh dear, don't give me an oh dear. Huh? What is that exclamation mark?
That's indeed the trouble there, right? So beginning of April, you're looking at a negative cash flow situation. The system finds that insight you need to look into.
Of course, it's always a bit trouble. It's always a bit trouble with the cash, especially around the change of the month, yeah?
Yeah, no, I think we can help you with that because at the bottom there is an actionable link which tells you maybe it's a working capital loan or financing you might need. But before we do that, can I actually look at something else? And the next insight will tell you, yeah, actually you have overdue receivables from last month, right? Quite a lot.
Exactly. 4 unpaid invoices I thought they already paid. And in total, 12 unpaid invoices with 80K. No wonder I'm running out of cash. But how should I manage it? And factoring? What the hell is factoring?
Yeah, Christian, I think invoice factoring might just be the solution for you to overcome that cash flow situation, right? And again, we personalize these contents for you, so in 5-10 seconds, you can understand how we as a bank can help your business and offer you the right product. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're running out of time, so just to summarize this again, 3 important takeaways. 1, simplification. Most SMEs don't need overcomplicated tools that require hours and hours of time to actually understand and use. Second is data. Smart data can help you uncover these insights. And the third is user experience. I resonate very much with the French sisters in the morning. User experience is everything.
And if you say now, this makes somehow sense, but still I have a lot of questions, perfect, please come visit us by our booth.
Thank you
Very much.